Hey, congratulations, you have ordered the Pro or Pro Elite SmartCuff Generation 3. And so I'm going to talk about what's included in that and then what to do once your package comes in the mail if it hasn't arrived to you already. So the SmartCuff Pro is a little bit different than the consumer version because it gives us a little bit more flexibility. It's primarily designed for people that are going to use it on somebody else. So if I'm a physical therapist, an athletic trainer, a chiropractor, strength and conditioning specialist, I'm going to use this on somebody else. So I'm going to set their parameters a little bit more tightly than our consumer version, which is a little bit more user-friendly. This is user-friendly as well, but you have to know a little bit more about the fine-tuning of BFR in order to utilize it. So the first thing that I want you to do when you get this in the mail is you're going to turn it on and you're going to see how much battery is currently charged. They leave Cleveland fully charged, but sometimes they get stuck in the mail for a little bit, they'll lose a little battery life. I want you to take it and I want you to plug it in. And so you're going to plug this in. And I'm going to let it stay on. You'll see that there's that little sensor. It shows that it's plugged in and it's charging. And I'm going to let that charge. Now, the other thing that you get with your Pro sets are 3 different cuffs. You get the small cuff, you get the medium cuff, oops, sorry, that's the large cuff, and you get the medium cuff, and then you get the large cuff. So this is designed for limbs that are 17 inches or smaller, usually the upper extremity. This is designed for between 17.5 to about 23. And then these are for limbs that are 23.5 or larger. So if you're not sure the size of your client or patient, then you would take a circumferential measurement here and a circumferential measurement here to find out their limb size and then what cuff should be utilized with them. If you got a Pro Elite system, the Pro Elite is the exact same, but it comes with 2 pumps. And the reason that this comes with 2 pumps is some people want to use bilateral cuffs with auto-regulation feature, which I'll talk about in a future video, or they can inflate both cuffs at the same time, or you can find limb occlusion pressure faster by doing both cuffs at the same time. In the next video, I'm going to show you what to do after you've fully charged your Pro system, what the next steps are to prepare yourself for using this with a client.